Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and immediate settings so the App Store can reappear. Go to Settings and make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This matters because the store visibility is linked to account status. Once done, check screen time and content restrictions and turn them off if they hide the App Store. Also verify iOS is updated. Outdated system software can remove or hide store features. These initial checks get the device ready for restoration. Now actively restore the App Store icon. Swipe down and use Spotlight Search. If the App Store appears there, press and hold to return it to the home screen. This works because Spotlight can find hidden apps. If the icon still won't show, reset the home screen layout in Settings to restore defaults. This repositions built-in apps. Once visible in the app library, long press and drag the App Store back to a preferred home screen. These steps replace a deleted or hidden icon. Finish by confirming the store actually functions. Try opening the App Store and sign out, then sign in with your Apple ID to refresh permissions. This often resolves access issues. If downloads are blocked, restart the device and reset network settings to clear connectivity conflicts. If the App Store still won't appear, reinstall iOS via Finder or iTunes without erasing data to restore system apps. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, check for a managed profile or MDM that may permanently restrict App Store access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.